My name is Chris Michaelsen. I'm the Director of the Human Rights and Social Justice stream here at UNSW Law. The Master of Laws has a specialization in human rights and social justice, which means that students undertaking the LLM can choose 4 subjects that fall into the stream in order to achieve the specialization. Basically, you can choose among about 30 subjects in the area of human rights law and policy. Those subjects range from international human rights law on children, on women, on refugees, to more sort of focused topics such as media and human rights and security. Students wishing to specialize in the LLM on human rights and social justice go on to various career paths. Some work for an international organization, some go on to work for federal government, for local government, others go on and work for NGOs. The learning environment at UNSW Law is very non-threatening. It's a very open-minded environment that allows for critical reflection, for discussion, and for a non-prejudiced engagement, I think, with the issues, with human rights issues. Some of the issues most recently that we've discussed in the context of human rights include the surveillance gate involving Snowden, some issues relating to the war on terror, the questions as to whether you can torture people to obtain information, whether you can deport people who are considered to be risks to national security. Well, we have a number of exchange programs available to Master of Laws students, including one, for example, with the University of Lausanne, and students can choose to undertake several subjects at our partner institutions. So it's a great way also of internationalizing your LLM and study in a different cultural context. Well, we have a strong visitors program at UNSW, which includes visitors from overseas as well as domestic visitors. These visitors are from both renowned international academic institutions as well as international organizations, or sometimes even well-qualified NGO representatives. Domestically, we have people working in practice who have a sort of a human rights or social justice dimension to their work, whether they be public defenders or working in public interest litigation or other areas. And I think it's very important that we have visitors who can also bring a very practical dimension to the course.